Good morning, Jayesh. I'm Kanish Kumar, the team leader of Team Optimus. We have selected the first problem statement, creating a conversational intelligence. Our project title is Vani, and this will be our visual presentation. So, understanding the problem statement and its scope. The core problem statement is to create a voice-based agent, and that could help with customers' queries, tell them about the platform and also give voice support, etc. So what are our targeted users? Our targeted users would be individuals with limited financial literacy who want to explore the London Club platform, first time loan seekers, and repeated users who want voice support call support, etc. So the key points which we are addressing here are: first is achieving empathetic digital communication. Agents should be able to understand the emotions behind the user's voice. Then second would be implementing various models in our orchestration layer. I will explain this further. Then achieving customizable workflows so that different business teams must have been having different kinds of team for lending, customer support, etc. So they can configure the model using specific prompts, resources, etc., and use them. Lastly, would be making a scalable pipeline that is easy to integrate into the current app and scale it. So what solution do we offer? We have made a voice-first conversational AI assistant that feels natural, informative, and customizable so that the company can tailor it for their own needs. The assistant aims to empower users, enhance accessibility, and improve efficiency. The key features of our agents would be intelligent voice response (IVR) for efficient call routing. Second would it provide real-time analytics. Then and simple, optimized, and scalable. Lastly, it would be a plug and play. So you can feed information, customize it for your use case, get the API and directly use it. So in general use cases, it can help in automated customer support, automated appointment scheduling. It can also help with sales and publicity. Lastly, it can also be integrated with the current customer relation management system. Now our conversational design, how conversation will happen. So this is how the conversation will happen. Firstly, user inputs sends the voice note or etc. in real time. Then we will apply background filtering. For that we will use our noise. Then we will have a speech to text using DeepGram or Amazon Transcribe or Google is API. Then we have the orchestration layer. So there would be three models here. I have currently put two. First should be endpoint model. It will distinguish when user finishes speaking and the general pauses between normal speech. Then it is interruption model. So it detects words like stop, hold up, please repeat, etc. And then there would be an emotional detection model that will help us identify the emotion behind the user's tones. Then that would go to the intelligence layer where we can you can select various LLMs like GPD, Gemini 2.4, latest LLMs, and then give a proper context to it, and then LLM will provide the right answer in RAG based chatbots, and then will have a voice provider that will give the voice output to the user. So this is our technical architecture, similar only. It's the whole thing how the APIs will be generated. So firstly user has to define the workflows, first how you want the agent to work prompts, etc. Then will have an API generation and engine that will create an API endpoint. Then these are our transcription, orchestration, and intelligence layer. You will also be able to provide context users, data, files, etc. that will directly go to the intelligence layer, and then the output will be like voice provider will give the output, and that can be fetched by a API endpoint. So now how we are implementing it. So this is our complete project structure, the ETL pipeline, then that data will go to MongoDB, then we will have an ingestion and transformation layer, then we will have a model trainer component, model evaluation component, and model deployment component. So this project structure is like only for the orchestration layer. For the other layers like the transcription layer, intelligence and output layer, we will be using pre-made APIs for like deepgram for transcription and model providers such as Grok, and then voice providers for voice output, Dolphin Labs or PlayHD. So the ETL pipeline hinge and deployment is ready. I worked on them. So ETL pipeline is these are the two ETL pipelines. Because we are in a hurry, we can't describe it. Please refer this. And then this is the deployment. First, we will create Docker image for the models. Then we will push it to Amazon ECR. Then we will build it on AWS, and then in AWS Amazon EC2 server. So our key innovations are, firstly is emotion recognition, like analyze the vocal cues to detect user emotion, like am I sad or am I angry, etc. in user voice. Then it would be a dynamic workflow customization, so that like your different teams could customize it for different things. And then there is a scalable architecture so that you can scale it, like you must have millions of users, so that this will help in that. And lastly is plug and play integration, so that you have to write minimum code and you can directly get the APIs and then directly integrated. So these are team members: Kanish Kumar, me, Shalini Danokar, Tanke, Satyajit Borade. I will be working on backend and DevOps. Shadil is for AIML, Sarwad is for both AIML and backend, and Satyajit will be our front-end developer. He will be creating dashboards and sports so that the users can get insights on it. Thank you.